Hello everyone, welcome to Math 152 Mathematics in the Modern World. Our lesson for today is about solving linear programming in minimization problem. So last time, we discussed about the maximization. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to first, solve linear programming minimization problems graphically. Second, interpret the solutions to minimization problems. In standard minimization problems, we have objective function is minimized. Next, all variables are non-negative. The last is all constraints are in the form of ax plus by plus and so on and so forth greater than or equal to the constant. For example, Milagros is planning to reduce its operational cost in managing her farm business to increase her profit. In doing so, she must determine how many post-production harvest equipment to build. Its objective and constraints are as follows. So we have minimized monthly cost. So C is equal to 50x plus 60y. Then subject to, so ang constraints natin ay x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 10 and 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 18 and x is greater than or equal to 2. So, ang implicit constraints natin ay x and y is greater than or equal to 0. Dito sa minimization, ang hinahanap na natin dito ay cost. And at the same time, hindi na natin dito gagawin yung step 1 and step 2 na ginamit natin dun sa maximization. Dito kasi given na yung objective function, implicit function, and explicit function. So let's go to our problem. In minimization, mag-jump na agad tayo sa step 3. So we have minimize monthly cost na C is equal to 50x plus 60y. Then the explicit constraint na x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 10, 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 18, and x is greater than or equal to 2, and the implicit na x and y is greater than or equal to 0. So, dito sa step 3, hanapin na natin, we let x and y as is equal to 0, and hanapin natin yung point of intersection. But since we have a given x dito, ito yung gagamitin natin x. We let x as 2. Okay, so the first one, gagamitin natin tong una. Itong nasa una. So we have x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 10. Or x plus 2y is equal to 10. So we let x is equal to 2. So saan natin nakuha si 2? Ito si 2. Yung given. Pero kung wala namang given, we let x as 0. So let x is equal to 2. So we have 2 plus 2y is equal to 10. So transpose mo to, ilipat mo, meron kang 2y is equal to 10. Yung positive 2 magiging negative 2. So 2y is equal to 10 minus 2 is 8. Then divide both sides by 2. So y is equal to 4. So therefore, ang solution set natin ay yung x mo na 2, then yung y mo na 4. Next, let y, may given ba na y? Wala. So, we let y as 0. Is equal to 0. So, we have x plus 2. Then, yung y mo, palitan mo ng 0, is equal to 10. So, we have x plus 2 times 0 is 0 is equal to 10. So, x is equal to 10. So, therefore, ang solution set natin ay 10 and 0. Next, yung susunod naman, ito, susunod na given, yung 3x plus 2y is greater than 18. 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 18. So, gawin natin siya linear equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 18. So, we let x is equal to 2 ulit. Kasi may given, yung given 2 is equal to 2. So, we have 3 times 2 plus 2y is equal to 18. So, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2y is equal to 18. Transpose mo, lipat mo, meron kang 2y is equal to 18. Yung positive 6 magiging negative 6. So, 2y is equal to 18 minus 6 is 12. Then, divide both sides by 2. So, y is equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, therefore, ang solution set natin ay 2 and 6. Next, IC, we let y is equal to 0. Wala naman kasi siyang given na y. So, we have 3x plus 2 times 0 is equal to, dito yung nakuha is equal to 18. So, 3x plus 2 times 0 is 0 is equal to 15. So, 3x is equal to 18. Divide both sides by 3. Cancel. So, x is equal to 6. So, therefore, ang solution set ay 6 and 0. Next, ay hahanapin natin yung point of intersection of x plus 2y is equal to 10 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 18. So, saan nakuha yan? Sa given ulit yan. Sa given ulit yan. Ayan po. Pinalitan lang ng equal sign. So, di ba sa point of intersection, kailangan nating mag-eliminate para mahanap natin si x or si y. So, dito, ano ba yung pwedeng, ilagay mo natin, x plus 2y is equal to 10 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 18. So, ano yung pwedeng matanggal natin na variable dito? So, pwede nating matanggal ay si y. Papalitan lang natin ng sign. So, we have x plus 2y is equal to 10. Ito ay i-multiply mo sa negative. So, magiging negative times 3x is negative 3x. Then, negative times positive is negative 2y is equal to negative times positive 18 is negative 18. So, yan. So, cancel mo na to. Kasi positive 2y minus 2y is 0 na yan. So, x plus negative 3x is negative 2x is equal to 10 minus 18 is negative 8. So, we have divide both sides by negative 2. Cancel mo. So, meron kang x is equal to negative 8 divided by negative 2 is positive 4. So, we have the value now ng x, which is 4. So, ngayon, hanapin naman natin si y. So, para mahanap si y, gamitin natin yung unang equation, yung x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay. So, x plus 2y is equal to 10. So, ang ipapalit lang natin kay x ay yung nakuha natin sa x na to, which is 4. So, 4 plus 2y is equal to 10. So, 2y, i-transpose mo lang yan, o ilipat mo, magiging 10. Then, yung positive 4 magiging negative 4. So, 2y is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. Then, divide both sides by 2. Cancel. So, we have y is equal to 3. So, ngayon, ang solution set na natin ay pinakuha natin kanina sa x at pinakuha natin sa y. So, ang solution set ay 4 and 3. Okay, so next is, syempre hindi natin pwedeng makalimutan yung feasible vertices. So, sa feasible vertices, yung una nating equation, so ito yung unang equation. 2 and 4. So, ito yung una nating equation. So, ang solution set ay 2, 4, and 10 and 0. So, sa graph, ano yung mas malapit? So, ang mas malapit sa kanila ay si 2 and 4. So, ito yung unang feasible vertices. Next, yung sa susunod na equation, ito yung susunod na equation. Ang equation ay 2 and 6 and 6 and 0. Ano yung mas malapit sa graph? So, ang mas malapit sa graph ay si 2 and 6. So, ito yung mas malapit sa graph. So, meron tayong 2 and 6. Then, dun sa point of intersection, ano yung hindi pala pinakamalapit kasi given. So, sa point of intersection, nakuha natin ay 4 and 3. So, copy mo lang 4 and 3. So, ito na yung feasible vertices natin. So, next is, i-graph na natin siya. Yan. So, sa pag-graph natin, i-graph muna natin yung unang nakuha natin sa equation, which is ito, 2 and 4 and 10 and 0. So, i-plot na natin siya. Una, 2 and 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Next, 10 and 0. Lagyan muna natin 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, yan. 10 and 0. So, i-connect mo. Yan. So, ito yung equation ni x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 10. Next, yung susunod na equation ay two and 6. Yung susunod na equation 2 and 6. So, positive 2 and 6. Then, 6 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 0. So, connect mo lang. Yan. Then, ito ay yung si 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 18. Ay, hindi nakita. Yan, greater than or equal to 18. So, sa point of intersection, di ba, ang point of intersection natin ay ito, 4 and 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3. So, ito yung point of intersection. Doon pala sa pag-shade, di ba ito ay greater than or equal to 10. So, ibig sabihin, sa taas yung pag-shade niya. Yan. Then, ito ay less than. So, sa baba. Sa baba. Yan. Ito sa baba. So, saan ba nag-overlap yung ito yun na. Yan. So, pababa. Kasi less than or equal. Then, ito, greater than. So, ito yung line na yan. Then, pataas. So, ngayon, saan yung nag-double shaded or nag-overlap yung shade? Yung parang, itong una, ito siya. So, ibig sabihin, yung x plus 2y greater than 10 and 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 18, dito sila nag-overlap. So, ibig sabihin, dito yung shading. Dito lang sila mag-shade. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, ayan lang yung visible region. So, ibig sabihin, mawawala na yung graph nyo dito at tanggalin nyo na yun. Ito lang yung matitira. Then, next is step 4. Step 4, hanapin na natin, isa-substitute natin visible vertices to get the function to get the maximum or the minimum. So, sa minimum, di ba, ang gagamitin natin formula na ay ito. Yung C is equal to 50x plus 60y. So, ano ilalagay natin dyan? So, ang ilalagay natin dyan ay yun nasa visible vertices. So, una, we have 50 multiplied by ito. Ito muna una. 2 plus 60 multiplied by 4. So, 50 times 2 is 100 plus 60 times 4 is equal to 240. C is equal to, so C is equal to 100 plus 240 is 340. Next, yung pangalawa, C is equal to 50 multiplied by, anong susunod? Ito na may susunod, 2 and 6. Yung x ay si 2, si 6 ay si y. So, we have 50 times 2 plus 60 times 6. So, 50 times 2 is 100 plus 60 times 6 is 360. So, 100 plus 360 is 460. Next ay yung pangatlo. So, we have 50 times pangatlo na 4 and 3. 4 plus 60 times 3. So, 50 times 40 is 200 plus 60 times 3 is 180. So, C is equal to 100 plus 180 is 380. So, dito sa given natin, so, dito, ano yung pinaka minimum o yung pinaka mababa? Yung 340, 460, or 380. So, ang pinaka minimum natin ay 340. So, let's go to the decision. So, ang decision natin in last step, step 5, the decision. So, we have, therefore, x is equal to 2 units and y is equal to 4 units, and the minimum cost. So sa decision, x is equal to 2 units and y is equal to 4 units, and the minimum cost is 340 pesos. And that's all for minimization.